quick video here for one of my viewers having problems with oil light and buzzer on a Vanagon. There are two oil pressure switches on the 2.1 liter, a yellow wire and a blue one. The blue one is the low pressure switch, the yellow one is the high pressure switch. The yellow one is the one that triggers the buzzer and warning light. The blue one just turns the light off once the engine is started. So you can see my test light hooked up to battery positive or the alternator, and it's touching the yellow wire. Whenever the engine's running, that test light should be lit, and the reason it's flickering at idle is because that switch is at its borderline setting where it's grounding out. As long as that light comes on at 2000 RPM or before 2000 RPM, everything is okay. So I'm going to rev it up and you'll notice it stays brighter. Sometimes when the engine gets completely warm or really nice and warm, that light will be off even at idle. And again, that's no problem as long as the light comes on when the engine is close to 2000 RPM. The other wire with the engine running, the light should be off, which it is. If I were to turn the engine off now, that light will come on because that switch closes and grounds. That's the low warning light switch. So if ever the engine gets low oil pressure at idle, that's the one that turns it on.